it to it. This is the water park. So
Yeah, let's go.
okay,
Okay, let's go. I'll follow you. Hey, let's go this way. Cool.
So there's these lily pad thingies, and you try and go on it. And when we were on it, me and Charlie were wrestling on it, and I stood on it and I got in trouble.
All right, should we show them outside too?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go outside.
I tried it like a year ago. It was hard.
Okay, go ahead and follow you. Keep going. Oh, yeah, it's closed. Is that enough?
Yeah, it's closed.
Yeah. Okay. The lazy river. Want to go this way?
Look at all those slides. Guys, I don't like the lazy river's fun.
Okay. Let's go show them the wave pool.
Look at those slides. So, I think you and Charlie went on a red and orange one like last year.
Yeah. I think we're going to try and do the slides today. Okay, you guys lead. I'll follow.
So this is H5 river, but you scrape it. You scrape your legs on like the bottom. Yeah, I got stuck.
Cool.
Ready?
Okay, keep going. Okay, keep going, keep going. All right, keep going.
So now here, you guys can see.
In here.
Oh.
Go ahead, yeah. Go ahead.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Go ahead. That's okay. You got your cover up on.
That's where you get card thingies. It's a scam with the prizes. So like, I don't know what we show here. Like it's a arcade, you know. And there's me.
Cool. Okay. Let's go this way. Okay, now
Oh my god.
up to the lobby. Oh yeah.
This is the bowling alley. We went here with Sarah's friends. This is such a...
It's cool.
We went here.
Cool. Okay, go ahead. You're okay.
Should we go now? Should we go that way? Second floor.
Up to the lobby? You want to keep the video going?
Ooh, the lobby.
Yeah.
What's the lobby?
Where the bedtime stories are and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be weird. This is candy. Yeah, candy. Come on, candy. I want one.
There he is. Should you go say hi to him?
Absolutely not.
Why not?
I got those things. Wait, show them the big stuff. Oh, look at its eyes. It's a cherries meow. What are you staring at?
Cool.
Okay. I love the buffet. It's so good. Oh, look at the elevators. Okay.
Okay, we good?
The wolves. Oh my. The gift shop. Okay. I have you turn it. Dad.
Hi.
Can we go to the bedtime story tonight?
We'll see. Yeah, let's go in the gift shop and do a little lap.
The gift shop. What if they tell us to stop?
Oh, we'll see what happens.
If they tell us to stop, we can just walk out of the corner. See, let's show the jump things and stuff.
No, it's okay. We're not going to hold stuff. You just go look. There, that's the gift shop.
Wait,
We don't need to go way in, guys.
Tommy, stop.
There you go.
I got this sweater from here. Show my sweater. I got this sweater from here.
Lifeguard. All right, back. Is that good?
Yeah.
All right, say bye.
Bye.
It's Great Wolf Lodge. It's so zoomed in. Great Wolf Lodge.